Hello, it's Teresa, your friendly health and wellness coach, here with Healthy Soup Hack Part 2. Today we're going to talk about vegetables. So vegetables are great for your soups because they will provide all kinds of extra flavor. Ones that normally go in soups that I use are onions. I'll usually throw in some kind of bell pepper because I think the flavor of a colored bell pepper goes with just about anything. If it's a spicy soup, I definitely will include some jalapeno peppers. And then I like to have another element, another vegetable that creates a lot of bulk and volume. So for this particular soup, I'm going to be using a riced cauliflower. Another great option is zucchini. The reason why you want to have a large amount is because we eat with our eyes first, and we want our body to think, oh my gosh, we're getting a lot of food. This is a lot of volume. Volume eating of healthier, low-calorie things like vegetables can really, really help keep your calories at a nice daily balance. The other bonus of incorporating vegetables is that they will be an element of fiber. And just like we talked about in part 1, protein keeps us full, and so does having fiber, and vegetables are a great source of fiber. So coming soon to you, part 3, stay tuned.